Hello friend, today I have another question. It is very important question. This question is based on matrix. Okay, and this question is asked in many companies. Just you can check here like company tax, Paytm, Flipkart, Microsoft, Morgan Stanley, Oyo Rooms, and many more. It is very important question. Let's try to understand the question. Then I will do the dry run. Then I will write the code. So it is always useful for all of them. Okay, first I will try to read this question. Spirally traversing a matrix. You are given a rectangular matrix MAT of size n cross m, and your task is to return an array while traversing the matrix in a spiral form. Means you have given one matrix MAT and you have to traversal in a spiral form. Just you can check here. Okay, not here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12, 16, 15, 14, 13, 9, 5, 5, 6, 7, 11, 10. We have to traversal in this manner. So this manner is called a spiral form, and you will get this output. Let's try to understand this question and try it. Then I will solve this question very easily. Okay. Hmm. Here we have given uh, one one 2D array. Mm, yes, math. Math is given like this way: 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 9, 10, 11, 12. Then 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, we have to traversal in this manner. Like first this one, then this one, this one, then this one, this one, then this one, then this one, then this one. In this manner, you will get this output, okay? And your output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12, 16, 15, 14, 13, 9, 5, 6, 7, 11, 10. How you can traverse like this? Okay, you first I will try to traverse in this manner here, then this manner, then this manner, then this manner, then this manner, this manner, this manner. In this way we have to traverse. Okay, so from this we are taking I. Here I will take I. Here I will take J. Okay, and M and N. We have to traverse in this manner. While first I will go in this way, then in this way, then in this way, in this way, and updating I and J. Okay, now try to understand it. For in this manner, what I will do first. Okay, I will write this code in the compiler so it's easy. First here to here, then K will start from here. J is pointing to here. I will point. K will start with J and end with M here. Okay. Then J plus plus. Here it will go here. Then it will start. Okay. Now write the code here. First int I equal to 0. Int J equal to 0. Int int n equal to mat dot length. Int m equal to mat of 0 dot length. Okay, is it clear? I will start with here, J will start with here. M, N, N indicates here, M indicates here. That's it clear? Okay, now try to here. While I is less than M and J is less than M. Okay, then I will start from the loop here for int k equal to J. It will start from here. Okay, it will start from here. J, k is less than, k will go to M, k is less than M and k plus plus. Okay, then SOP system out dot print mat of I and k. Okay, yes. Then we have to write the code for this one for downward. Okay, then it will this line will completed. Okay, then I equal to I plus 1. Now we have to write the code for downward traversal. Okay, then for int k equal to, it will start from here, it will start from here, this one. Okay, then k equal to I, k is less, k is less than n. It will go to here, it will start from here, it will go for here to n, then k plus plus. Okay, then we have to print it. SOP system dot println mat of k comma m minus 1. Okay, here we have to indicate here, and m equal, and I is here. Suppose k is indicating this one, and we have to point out here. Then k mat of k, k number of k mat of k and m minus 1 will indicate here. Okay. First one is row, and which column? Row is 1, row 1, and m minus 1 will indicate here, then indicate here, then indicate here. Okay, so it will print, and then this line is completed. This line is completed. Then m equal to m minus 1, m will indicate here, then we will take here. Okay, so this line is completed, then m equal to m minus 1. And suppose we have completed this one, we have completed this one, we have completed this one, and now we have to iterate in backward, in this way. So I will check, suppose this one is printed, and again we have to, so I will check I is less than n. In that case we have to traverse it. Okay, so now I am going to check if I is less than n, then we will traverse for int k equal to, we have to take this one, k equal to m minus 1. M is completed, m indicating here, then m minus 1 will here, m minus 1 to j. K equal to m minus 1, k is greater than equal to j, and k minus minus. Okay, then SOP of math index, it will n minus 1 will lie and k. Okay, this one n minus 1 will indicate here, this one, and k will indicate here. Okay, that okay. Then this line is also completed. Then n equal to n minus 1, update the n equal to n minus 1. Now we have to print this line. Okay, for this line, it is downward, it is upward. So we will check j is less than n. Suppose this line is printed, and again we are going to print same line. So we have to check one condition. If j is less than n, then we have to print it for int k equal to, k will start from here. K will start from here. Then n minus 1, n is updated here. Then here k equal to n minus 1, k is greater than equal to I, and k minus minus. Okay. Then SOP of math of k and j. Okay. Once it is completed, means this one is completed. This will start from here and move to upward, and j is constant. J is indicating here. Once it is completed, we have to update to the j. J equal to j plus 1. Hmm. J equal to j plus 1. Now it is over. It will print the spiral form, a spiral traversal of a matrix. It is so easy. First you have to write the code for this line, then this indication, this row, then this way, then this way. You have to remember this only. Okay, how it is traversing, and you have to write the code in the same way and follow some conditions only. Th- That that is it. Now I am going to write a code in GFG compiler and check the test cases. If something is wrong, then I will try to improve that code there only. Okay, first of all, I have to make I int I equal to 0, int j equal to 0, int n equal to math.length, and then int m equal to math of 0 dot length. Now you need array list. We have to return array list. So I am taking an array list of integer answer equal to new array list of integer. So, okay. Now I will try to write the code while I is less than n and j is less than m. Okay. First of all, I have to traversal in this manner for int I, for int k equal to j, k is less than m, and k plus plus. Okay, so answer dot add math of math of I comma k. Now it is completed. Then I equal to I plus 1. We have to update the row. Okay, then we have to traverse in a downward. So for int k equal to m minus 1, m minus 1, or for int k equal to I, k is less than n, and k plus plus. Then answer dot add math of hmm, hmm, math of k comma m minus 1. Okay, now it is completed. Then m equal to m minus 1. Hmm. Now check it. If I is less than n, then we have to traverse for int k equal to m minus 1, k is greater than equal to j, and k minus minus. Okay, then answer dot add mat mat of n minus 1 comma k row column. Hmm. Once it is done, then n equal to n minus 1. Okay, it will first it will indicating here n minus 1, then n equal to n minus 1 will indicate here, then it will go here. Okay, then check j. If j is less than m, then we have to print it. For in k equal to n minus 1, k is greater than equal to I, and k minus minus, then print it. Answer dot add mat of hmm, mat of k and k and j. Okay, and once it is completed, then j equal to j plus 1. Okay, yeah, then we have to return the answer. Okay, now try to compile and run the code. Yeah, we are getting the expected output. Now try to submit the code. Hmm. All test cases is wait to checking. Yes, finally all the test case is passed. Thanks for watching, and this is the best way to learn DSA. You have to solve more and more question, uh, and slowly you will able to learn it. If you spend some time is after 2 to 3 months, you will understand the approach and everything. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye. See you in next